Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
What's your view on how much testing should be done? Kerala so far is a success story, but Kerala's testing rate in terms of per million population is much lower than the national average. Kerala is not the best example of the test
Yes,
strategy being
yes.
good.
Everyone is criticizing us like that. And what is the reality? Increasing the test only didn't give any result. We have a good strategy for testing that I said earlier. Then the first part of the coronavirus infection, at that time there is a dead scarcity for the test kits, especially RNA extraction kit. And we used it in a strategic manner. All of a sudden, if you use the old test kits and testing the old people, it will finish within 1 or 2 days. And the actual thing came, we should have to suffer out of that. Some countries use that test kits, testing all people they got the first time. And they finished that test kits. And when the real thing occurred, they finished the test kits and no tests are being done at that time. Several people called me from USA and also UK, and they said no tests are doing here, and we got corona. We suspect like that, sore throat and fever, everything. We are in our home and no testing materials, and the test is not doing here. And in some Gulf countries, they are saying they have to wait for the test result the 6 or 7, 8 days to get the results. They are in a queue. Here, we tested all the proper cases. Nothing harmful from that. Our test number is low. It is around 60,000. But what is the good thing if we increase the test more than anything? In some states, I think they have done the antibody test also. We didn't get that good kits for doing the antibody test. Some kits we got from ICMR. ICMR itself said that don't use that kit, it is not valid. And we are not able to test antibody thing. But we are testing in PCR. PCR is the reliable test. And if we increase the test, our test kits will finish within 2 or 3 days. After that, what will we do? That is why we are doing the test in a strategic manner. The slogan that test, nothing else. That is coming in newspapers and other medias also. And we have to test, definitely, we have to increase the test. But the test is not the only way to contain this thing. And testing is one method, and breaking the chain is the most important part. The quarantine, the isolation, and to break the chain, break the spreading of the virus to other people. That is the method. And we have to do the sentinel surveillance, and we have to do random checking. We have to observe whether the pneumonia cases are increasing in the premises. That is a symbol of the that is social spreading. And we are checking that. No hike in the pneumonia, peripheral pneumonia cases here. And that is the method. We have to use the different methods in different part and to club them together, a multi-pronged approach. And that is the actual way. Not only increasing the test, that will not do any result. We are thinking to increase the number of tests because we have now a good number of test kits with us. We are slowly we are increasing the sentinel surveillance thing and also increasing the pool test, etc. But increasing more than anything, the test, only increasing the test, that is of no use.